Big Brother is not playing, so he decided to expose King Wanda and Ashe. Guys, I still remember yesterday before the pool party, he exposed Ashe no Mele. So guys, yesterday King Wanda and Ashe, they were having a conversation. They were gossiping about Mele and Thandeka, saying that the reason why Mele is with Thandeka is his strategy, because they saw on Sunday that the fans love Tracy because she got 2 strikes. They are saying if Mele leaves the house, Thandeka will also leave as well with him, basically saying the people outside, they love Tracy because she's against the bully, guys. So they were talking about Thandeka and Mele, a relationship yeah, Thandeka and Mele, it doesn't even make sense. King Wanda, he was just talking. Big Brother was like, today guys, I'm gonna play your voice note. So guys, guys, Didi, do you still remember there was a time where Didi was talking to Liam about Thandeka? Yo, I can't wait to hear a voice note Mele when he was talking about Thandeka, guys. I think they need to play that one. So guys, Ashe Nkosiyami, yesterday it was him, today it is him. Guys, as Kala Shem, guys, and Udoni, he was there when they were having a conversation, King Wanda and Ashe, guys. I don't understand why people are not coming for Udon, because Udon, they got pizza, kuluma. So manje Kala, guys, Mele knows Uguti, King Wanda, say, Baya Hamburgo Sunday, guys, Kala Poroma. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. It's time for the conversation. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.